10 plus 7 is? And one more. Yeah.
Sea walk. It's first day morning and we thought of going there. Bye. ये तो फिश वगैरह वो है सेंट मैरी आइलैंड देखो.
Nishant?
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. What were you saying about this park?
So it seems to be a good walk out here. There's water on both the sides. There you see there's a white looking lighthouse. We can go there someday. People are fishing, getting the fish to the dock, and that's the main dock, I think, where all the fish gets landed and they're processed. Yeah, so we're walking on the sea.
How was the experience?
Very good.
So my mom came with us and she kept walking. She didn't wait for us because we were busy taking pictures. So I think she has reached the end and resting and waiting for us. And here Nishant is trying to capture this lovely yellow boat which is going to fish, I think. There you go. There you are, mommy. You've been walking really fast.
There are so many islands there. There also, see, there also there are so many islands there. See, there also there is.
मम्मी कर दे हम लोग के ऊपर ऐसे रख दे बस चलेगा. हाँ अच्छा है.
Well done, mommy.
सब लोग का वो एक्सप्रेशन अच्छा नहीं था. ठीक है.
Oopsie.
करने का वो तो इससे कर सकते हैं.
उतना डिजिटल फोटोग्राफर नहीं है मैं. थोड़ा आईलाइनर ये सब लगाएगा ना थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है फोटो. अब वो आईलाइनर नहीं लगा सकता ना फोटोशॉप में.
नहीं वो मेकअप का एक ऑप्शन है. अभी कलर कौन सा चाहिए, गोरी चाहिए, काला चाहिए, वो भी है ऑप्शन. मेरे मोबाइल में है वो सब.
Let's go back. मैंने तो उड़ते देखा नहीं कभी सब.
You saw it?
या यहाँ से उड़ा ऐसे ज़ूम करके
And you
प्रिंसेस.
saw all the feathers?
वाव. सब वो फोटो. I don't know peacock flies so high.
Later that same evening.
We're going to Malpe beach. Finished our work. Excited. Did I just see samosa over there?
Samosa or that was fish?
I saw samosa also.
Mumbai
I
है samosa?
I can smell wet stuff. I can sniff them from anywhere in the corner of the world. Are they?
That's the beach. Malpe beach in Udupi.
Wow, the beach looks beautiful.
Yeah, it looks awesome.
Just like Goa or Maldives.
This is Maldives.
Look at the sand.
Yeah, beautiful.
I spot a camel, by the way.
Are we in Dubai? This is a miniature version of a lighthouse.
Not
And
that-
that's St. Mary's Island. You can see. You know what's about St. Mary's Island is made of volcanic eruptions.
which call into question information gathered from years of simple carbon dating.
Really?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi,
Where are you?
I'm at I am at which beach? Malpe beach. I'm at Malpe beach.
And what are you doing here?
I'm just getting ready to leave after the
Leave?
sunset.
After sunset.
Yes.
Who are you?
Go away!
What did you do, Mikey, today?
Papa, tomorrow can we go in there? And the best food ever created. Yeah,
You enjoying the cola, Danny?
love it.
Which flavor is it?
Mango.
Yours, Mikey? Both mango.
Yeah.
Both mango fans. Very good. Look at the crows circling in the sky.
I thought
I
they're
think-
eagles.
No, they are crows. I think they are eyeing the fish.
So take it.
I don't want honey.
It's actually just a different flavor juice if you don't add the ice.
Are you feeling cold?
All the best, guys.
Like it, huh?
All the best.
Look at that. It's not getting a How's it? How's yours?
Wow. Mike, Danny is good.
Danny's good. Enjoy it, Danny. See, the other camel is coming. How's it?
Mikey, you on the camera?
वो घोड़े के ऊपर चढ़ ही नहीं पाया इतना चढ़ा उतना भर गिरा मोनी आके इतना हंस रहा था कैमल के बहुत बड़ा कैमल था वो
Camel की घोड़ा.
कैमल के ऊपर
काम करेगा ना खोलने के बाद खराब तो नहीं रहेगा. चली नहीं चाहिए. Wow.
मम्मी का भी लेना.
What's that, mommy?
yes this is something
So, Rishabh.
Something.